Hello there, this is Dave Allen. I'm good and geeky, and Kortney has asked me a question about how you get the bubble for multiple merged tasks on desktop. So here I am in the desktop version I've sorted, and I want to see how we get that bubble. You can't do a multiple selection of these items on the thing here unless you sort of do a check here. So I'm clicking here, click here, and click here. Maybe this bubble here at the bottom is the one that Kortney is talking about. So just got to click on merge, and that will merge those, and I've got a merge preview there, and I can click on merge. And as you know, once you've done that there merge, you can actually sort of go back into this again. So if I want to go back into this here and I want to change it so that I want to reorganize it, I can go into this on here and bring things out, grab it by this bit 3 hamburger bit there, and I'll bring that out and drop it into this one at the bottom. And I'm going to bring this one here and drag that out to here. Okay, if there are more things in there, then you can actually sort of scroll across like that and sort of have more places to drop more notes in. I've only got 2 notes in this one, so I can't drop any more in there, but I could if I had more notes. If you need to do more reorganising from the notes within one of your tasks. When you've done that, you can click on done. And as you can see, now I've got those 3 things back in there again. Okay, if I'm in the schedule, so here I'm in the schedule look, and I want to do some work with this. Let's hide completed stuff. So if I want to do some scheduling with these ones here, and I need that thing up the side here to be able to do some reorganising, then what I can do is I can click on this here, and then this one here. So I've got more than one thing collected, and then I can do the changing around of these things here. So I'm scrolling up and down on my trackpad using 2 fingers to change the times of when they're going to be, and then when I've got that set as I wanted it to be, then I can click on done. If I want to move it quicker, I go over to the left hand side here. If I want to move it less quick, I'll move it on the right hand side here. So that goes in 5-minute increments, and this one here it will move in 1 hour increments. So I'll move that forward by 2 hours, and then I can click on done, and the new times are already in there ready to go, and my day has been organised. So I hope this has sorted out Kortney's question there about how to get the bubble icon for multiple merged tasks on desktop, and it's all fairly easy when you know what you're doing. So have fun. This is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky. Bye bye now.